Dear students of 12th Arts A and 12th Commerce, today once again we are going to revise the poem Song of the Road by Walt Whitman. Already the notes had been sent to you and you had recorded it in your notebook. But once again, I want to repeat it, revise it for those students, those who had not seen the notes, and it is my effort that you should know the details, including the icebreakers and brainstorming related with this poem Song of the Road. Walt Whitman is an American poet. Walt Whitman is an American poet, a journalist, a diplomat, and extremely intelligent person related in the politics of America. Now, so far the icebreakers are concerned. Now, here are some options before you. Choose the mode of travel. Choose the mode of travel that you would like the most for a journey. The substitutes are given here: airways, waterways, railways, roadways, etc. So, I like to travel only by plane, airways. The reasons for my preference is: number one, no physical or mental fatigue. No physical or mental fatigue. Number two, time is saved as we reach our destination early. The third reason is cleanliness, mannerism, snacks, tea, coffee on demand. So, these are the reasons on account of which I like to travel by airways. Discuss with your partner the preparations you would like to make for the journey chosen. कुठलंही काम आपल्याला जर करायचं असेल, कुठलंही काम जर आपण स्वीकारत असू किंवा अंगीकारायचं असेल, ते जर पूर्णत्वाला न्यायचं असेल तर आपल्याला त्याची पूर्वतयारी करावी लागते विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. तर आपण काय तयारी करू शकतो, आपण जो मार्ग निवडलेला आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय हॅव टू ट्रॅव्हल टू मुंबई from Aurangabad, then I have to first of all online booking of the desired journey. Online booking of the desired journey. Number two, minimum luggage with lightweight to carry. Sufficient cash, no complaint about health. The last is correct information about the location where you want to go. Discuss the ways in which you would overcome the problems, obstacles, difficulties you face during your journey. Number one, inquiry about departure of plane with related to air company officers. Number two, help from the air hostess to tie the seat belt. Basic medicines if you feel uneasy. Then inquiry about Ola or Uber cars with security officer after reaching the destination. These are the basic and primary preparations that you have to do if you go by airways. During every journey, we have to observe certain rules. Discuss your ideas of the journey without any restrictions. You can begin like this. I would go alone, oblique with selected friends. So, friends or company is necessary while enjoying any program. B. Enjoy the places worth visiting. I will buy something new for my brother, sister, parents, children, and so on. Taste different kind of territorial food items, juices of variety of fruits, ice cream. See the movie or drama of everyone's liking. Now let us have a look. These are the introductory points related with journey, and now we are proceeding towards the central idea of the poem. Song of the Open Road. Song of the Open Road is one of the best examples of free verse. Free verse is a poetry that does not rhyme or have a regular rhythm. It is a literary device free from limitations, but it provides an artistic expression. This poem is a blend. Blend means mixture of self awareness, free will, and delicacy of heart. Human life itself is very uncertain and unpredictable. It is a chain of challenges where success cannot be defined as a destination. Every one of us has to face a test of wisdom, which is not tested at any level of educational journey or in any university. This poem is in the form of dramatic monologue where the speaker himself means first person I is powerful. He is open minded. He is open minded, ready to face the problems of life. The journey is metaphorical for the journey of life. The poet has the freedom to choose his path. The poet has the freedom to choose his path in his own style. He does not expect good fortune. He will work hard and turn his dreams into realities of life. It is then not a question of luck or hard work. He is no longer going to delay or complain. He will now put his plans into action. There will be no excuses. There will be no excuses in the journey of life. He feels that he has abilities, potentials to meet all the problems of life. The earth is enough to provide for his needs. He does not need the support of destiny. Destiny means luck or fortune to go forward in life. He is confident that he can very well manage the journey of life. This poem also tells us the importance of confidence in human life. And remember one important thing, my dear students, that the person who accepts the challenge in life always grows in strength. But if you are always dependent on someone for your work, your life becomes pitiable. And the time may come, the moment may come in your life when people will refuse, deny, reject your request, and you may feel very insulting. That should not happen in life. We should find like a tree, like a tree. We each must find a place to grow and branch out. We have to prove ourselves in the journey of life, and it is the most important message given by the poet. Find out the lines showing that the poet is prepared to enjoy every moment of his life. You are suggested to see on page number 95. There are six expressions that show that the poet is very much prepared to enjoy every moment of his journey. Number one, a foot and light-hearted I take to the open road. Number two, healthy, free, the world before me. Number three, the long brown path before me, leading where I choose. Number four, henceforth I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. This is the rare kind of confidence where the poet declares himself that I don't want the support. I'm not dependent on anyone for my work, but I have that much capacity, I have that much power to create my own fortune. And I know very well how to mold my life and career. The next is strong and content. I travel the open road. The earth is sufficient to provide my need. Here is one line used by the poet, and that is very meaningful that we have to see. Let us see that line. By old delicious burdens, the poet means sweet memories of the past. The figure of speech here is paradox. Delicious is something, delicious is something that we like and enjoy. Burdens are the series of events which make us unhappy or sad. The idea is absurd but true, and therefore the figure of speech is paradox. Write down the qualities of the poet exhibit through following lines. One is done for you. Write complete line in your notebook. Henceforth, I ask for no good fortune. I myself am good fortune. The quality here is self confidence. self-reliant, self-esteem, honesty and transparency, contentment and gratitude. Describe the mood of the speaker. Describe the mood of the speaker in the poem. The poet's mood is very happy, hopeful, cheerful, and upbeat, and he is charged with new ideas and new concepts to accept the challenges in life. Healthy, free, the world before me. Express your views regarding the above line. The poet has used many describing words such as healthy in this poem. Make a list and classify them as for the world sufficient, having no complaint. For himself, light-hearted, healthy, free, satisfied. For the road, open, long, brown path of his liking. Now let us see the poetic devices, or what we call figures of speech used by the poet. Still here I carry my old delicious burdens. The figure of speech is paradox. Number 2. Done with indoor complaints, libraries of querulous criticism. Figure of speech is transferred epithet, where adjective is shifted from one place to another person or situation. Number 3. Expand and content. Sorry, strong and content. I travel the open road. The figure of speech is metaphor. Expand the idea in the following line. A man without liberty is a body without soul. Liberty means freedom at personal level. Liberty at physical, mental, spiritual, economical, social levels may be defined as an independent existence. For example, a parrot is being kept as a pet bird in a cage. The owner of the home provides things of his liking, like variety of fruits, less pungent chili, cold water, teaches him to talk the things of his choice. The sweet sound makes the bird captive. Day by day, his confidence level falls down, and one day he dies. The story of man or woman is no more different than the bird. Our souls also have great expectations from our parents, teachers, relatives, our siblings, and even from the society. People are basically good at heart, but the conditions make them to behave in a wrong manner. Live and let live should be our policy. And this is all about this poem, Song of the Open Road. You are suggested once again to watch this video and also to read the notes which are already provided to you. And even after that, if you have any difficulty, any problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number and ask your question. Okay, and that's all. Thank you very much.